Hi guys. So today I wanted to talk about the last week or so. I was really stressed because just a lot of factors came together. There was the fact that lady time. And then there was also just stress of people in school, and I didn't have one of my medicines, so I wasn't on it for 5 days, and that was tough. But also there were quite a few dates that were stressful to even recognize, and by that I mean like I was dissociating quite a bit because I didn't want to recognize the date because something had happened on those days. The first day was the 3-year mark from whenever my first love broke up with me, and that was a very traumatic thing for me. I saw him in my workplace the other day. It was like probably 3 or 4 weeks ago, but I saw him and I instantly went back to what it was like dating him. And whenever he would put me like in a corner and kiss me and stuff, so that was rough. Then, with it being Easter time, I have memories of whenever my favorite grandpa died, whenever I was 9, and he died on the Saturday, so the night before Easter, and I found out on Easter morning from my mom, and that was really hard. But I also am stressed because stretch marks. I don't know how to physically or mentally get over them, and I just don't know what to do. I'm also having to buy bigger clothes again. I'm trying to watch videos on how to deal with weight gain and the side effects of weight gain. So, wish me luck, guys. Bye.